Welcome to the SLUBcast Research Preparation, Finding Search Terms. To find relevant literature on a topic when researching, you need the right search terms. First, determine the core terms that define the content of your topic. The core terms of the topic impact of modern agriculture on the indigenous bee population are modern agriculture and bee population. Terms such as impact, causes, consequences, etc. should be left out of your search query because they are too general and won't give you more relevant results. You could already start researching using just the core terms. However, this would probably exclude a lot of relevant results because the authors may have used other terms to describe the topic. So make sure to supplement these core terms with synonyms, generic terms, subordinate terms, related terms, and also foreign language terms. There are many tools you can use when compiling search terms. Synonyms and other terms can be found at websites like openthesaurus.de or at synonyme.de. Some databases offer a hierarchically structured list of terms based on the technical vocabulary used. In this thesaurus, you will find superordinate and subordinate terms as well as related terms for the word you are looking for. Foreign language terms can be found in online dictionaries like dict.cc. A term table with all collected search terms can help you keep an overview.